An American eye in the sky, silent high, watching Iran. And the timing, it is impossible to ignore. In fact, just days after Donald Trump's sharp warning to Tehran, something powerful moved into position. Not a fighter jet, not a warship, but something far more unsettling. Meet the MQ-4C Triton, a massive US Navy surveillance drone, unmanned, relentless, built to watch without any blinking. And you know what? Right now, it's flying near Iran. You're watching TimesXP. It's me, Dhriti Yatri. Let me explain what really happened here. So, Triton took off from Al Dhafra Air Base in the UAE. Call signs OVRD-01. No secrecy here, no hiding. The flight wanted to be seen. The drones climbed and climbed over 50,000 feet, higher than most aircrafts, out of reach, out of sight. And then it began to sweep. And you know where exactly? Above the Persian Gulf. Close to Iran's coastline, but still legally inside international airspace. Well, that details really matter, you know. The question is, what is Triton doing up there? Watching everything though. Shipping lanes, oil tankers, naval patrol, fast boats, unusual moment. Nothing moves below without being noticed here. This particular drone is not ordinary though. It can stay airborne for more than 24 hours non-stop. It can scan millions of square nautical miles every single day. Its radar, it is called ANZPY-3. It can track ships in rough sea, bad weather, even at the night. Well, think of it as a floating control room in the sky. But you know why now? Why here? Well, that is the real question, because this comes right after Trump said that the US is locked and loaded if Iran escalates. First words and then surveillance. Well, this is how pressure is built. This is what happened to Venezuela. For the US military, this is about early warning. If Iran moves naval assets, if it threatens the commercial ships, if it tests red lines, the Triton will see it instantly. Now, for Iran, this feels like provocation. No missile fired, no border crossed, but a clear message delivered that we are watching, we are recording. Nothing will surprise us anymore. And remember the history here. Iran has shot down the US drones before. The skies over the Gulf, they are tensed. Every flight, it is political. Every signal is deliberate. This is modern power projection, not loud enough, not dramatic, but contrast. An invisible pressure hovering day and night. So, is this surveillance or a warning? That's the big question. The Pentagon will say it is a routine monitoring, freedom of navigation, international airspace. That's what they said before Venezuela was destroyed by Mr. Trump. But geopolitics, it speaks a different language. One drone, one flight path, one vision on the edge, and a question that won't go away. Is this just watching or the calm before something much, much bigger? The sky over Persian Gulf is quiet, and this is not calm.